Welcome back. What are we doing today? Well, today we're going to discuss PS37, Tamiya Translucent Red. So, believe it or not, both of these cars are painted in Tamiya Translucent Red, also known as PS37 for Lexan colors. Lexan bodies, sorry. So, over here we have this Mercedes-Benz Tamiya model, Tamiya body shop. And this is Tamiya Translucent Red PS37, and so is this. But if you notice, they look slightly different. The reason for that is because this one, I put a matte coating of clear spray. I don't want to call it paint, but it's pretty much a clear coat, but matte clear coat over the body after I painted it. So originally it looked like this. It was translucent red backed with silver, and then after about a day of drying it was backed with black, and then left as it is. A nice glossy sheen, and in the light it reflects very well. I really like the way this came out. So I went to London and I saw a BMW painted like this. It was matte, well, I guess you can say matte translucent red. And I was wondering if all I would have to do is put a clear coat on it, and it worked. I will post the name of the clear coat in the link below once I get a hold of it. And because the can's done now, I just have to find where I put it. And I will post in the link below, let you guys know exactly how it was done. So what you're looking at here is about, the Tamiya cans are about that big. This is about 4 coats of it on here, and so is that. So 4 coats backed with 3 coats of Tamiya silver, which is PS15, PS15 I believe it is. I think that's brilliant silver, I'm not quite sure. But either way, it's Tamiya silver, and 3 coats of that. And then, like I said, after about a day of letting it cure, I hit it with the matte black behind it. Kind of gives it a darkish kind of tone afterwards. But as you can see, the inside's the black. And I like to put that liner inside of it, kind of put some weight behind the bodies and toughens it up. This one I didn't put the liner, I just gave it regular black paint. So some areas it wouldn't take for some strange reason. Like as you can see here, it just wouldn't stick. So instead of completely flooding the body out and risking bleeds and everything else, I just decided to let it be. And it actually doesn't look that bad. So you can see there, it's still a little iffy, but I like the way it came out overall. Put the light buckets in it. I haven't put any lights in it yet. I still have to order some. But this is also by Tamiya, this GTR, as well as the Mercedes. I've got this one for about 25 euro. They're running pretty cheap over here. And if you're wondering, the chassis is by Viterra. The wheels are by MST. They come white. I spray painted those in a kind of a goldish, bronzish, brass kind of color. They're plastic, and they're adjustable offset, and I'll show those later on, but you can pretty much change the offset of these wheels. See those grooves in there? Yeah, you line those up and you can change the offset. So you can have them run this deep or deeper. It's kind of hard to find it with the camera going, but you could run them deeper than that. Shallow, deep. But I'll feature those in another video. For now, that's it. Thanks for watching.